Mm-hmm. Yes.
We have a 2 of hearts and a 7 of spades, correct?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, how many cards are in a regular deck of cards?
52.
Very good. So we know that there's 52 cards. That's going to be our denominator.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So which cards fall between 2 and 7?
I don't know. I don't really
We have
play.
3s.
Oh,
We have
okay.
4s. We have
5
5s.
and 6.
And 6s.
Mm-hmm.
How many of each do we have?
1. Two.
We have actually 4, right? There's 4 3s in the deck. There's 4 4s in the deck. There are 4 5s in the deck. And there's 4 6s in the deck, right?
No. I don't really know. I don't play cards, but.
Well, we have hearts. And we have diamonds. And we have clubs. And we have spades.
Okay.
We have 1 of each.
Okay.
So how many total cards would that be between 2 and 7?
4.
If there's 4 each.
16.
There you go. So the probability that the player will not win for each pair of cards that are face up is 16 out of 52.
Wait, I'm sorry, but I'm still kind of confused a little bit. So,
do you agree that
yeah?
The numbers between 2 and 7 are 3, 4, 5, and 6?
Yes, I agree with you there.
Okay, and do you understand that there's 4 3s, 4 4s, 4 5s, and 4 6s?
Mm-hmm.
So if there's 4 of each one of those numbers, there's a total of 16, right?
Oh, okay. Okay, because we're talking about the whole deck. Okay, all right.
Yeah, we're talking
Okay.
about the whole deck, and
Mhm.
since there's 52 cards in the deck, I mean, there's also 4 8s and 4 9s and 4 10s, all the way up to kings. But we're only concerned about the 3s, the 4s, and the 5s, and the 6s, right?
Because
When it
that's
comes
in
to this
between.
hand?
Yeah.
All right, would you like to try one just to make sure you understand it?
Yeah, but just a quick question. Don't you have to do 16 divided by 52, and that will give you the probability?
Okay, so there's a couple ways to represent it. You can represent it out of a fraction.
Okay.
You can represent it as a ratio, which would be 16 to 52.
Okay.
And like you're saying, we could change it to a percent.
Okay.
So the way we would do that is
16 divided by 52.
16 divided by 52 times 100. It's always 100%.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if I take my calculator here and I go 16 divided by 52.
Mm-hmm. I got 64%.
Yeah. It's actually, there's a 31% chance of me losing. 16 divided by 52 times 100 equals 30.7%. About 31%.
Wait, what? Because when I do 16 divided by oh, okay, never mind. I did 16 divided by 25. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Okay, 100. Okay, yeah, you're right. I got about 31%. Yeah.
Would you like to try one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, which one would you like to try? 5 or sorry, B, C, or D?
Yeah, I'll try B.
Okay.
Okay.
So explain to me I'll do the writing for you, but explain to me which cards could possibly come between a 5 and a king.
Okay. I don't really know cards, but is it 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9?
So there's a 6.
Okay.
There's a 7.
8.
You're right. There's an 8.
9.
9. Keep going.
And then kings?
There's a 10.
Oh, okay. Okay. 10.
Okay. And then there's something in cards called a jack.
Okay.
And there's something called a queen.
And
The
then
king is your highest, and the ace is your lowest. The ace is almost like the number 1. The king is the highest, so that comes after the queen.
Okay, but how about the joker?
There's no joker in a regular deck of 52 cards.
Okay.
That's extra.
Okay. Right.
So it probably would have been mentioned inside your instruction if the joker was included.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it goes ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then there's something called face cards, which are 10, jack, queen, and then king. Okay?
Okay.
But we're going to concern ourselves with the 6 to the queen. So how many of each are there again?
So there's 4.
Okay, so if I have 4 6s, 4 7s, 4 8s, 4 9s, 4 10s, 4 jacks, how many total cards would that be?
Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 times 7 is sorry, I don't know my multiplication. I'm really bad. 28.
Very good. 28 out of 52.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So just for fun though, can you tell me what's going to be the hardest to lose at?
The hardest to lose?
Yeah, which 2 cards have the least chance of having another card hit in between it? Any idea?
Maybe a jack and a queen.
You're right. Look at this right here. See your question D?
Mm-hmm.
We have a 10 of diamonds and a jack of clubs. What card comes between 10 and jack?
A 10 and a jack is nothing.
Nothing. So your probability is 0 out of 52.
So you have a really good chance of winning in this one, right?
You would have a guaranteed chance of winning, right?
Mm-hmm. And then for the ace one, ace is 1, right?
Right.
So it'll be 1. It'll be 2, 3.
2, 3.
Which is, so that would be 2 divided by 52.
No, it wouldn't be 2 out of 52 cards. If there's 4 of them each, how many cards are there?
Oh, that would be 16.
No.
Oh, 8. 8.
8 out of 52.
Yeah, 8 out of 52.
That's right.
Okay, all right. I think I get it now. Yeah, I get it. All right.
You get it?
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good evening, okay?
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.